Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit bookmarks on your MacBook in Safari browser. So in order to do this, let's open our Safari like this. Now let's press on this icon right here and we'll be able to find bookmarks. Now if we want to delete any of them, simply click on it and hold your finger for a few seconds. Then press on the X button in order to delete it from your bookmarks. Now if you want to add something to your bookmark, let's say for example already have Google, but let's add it another time, accept all. Now we'll need to press on this plus button and that way it will travel to our bookmarks right here, but we already have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.